Market overview, portfolio breakdown is back in town. Today, guys, we're going to have a quick overview on the Forex market and move to the main dish, the cryptocurrency market, which is far more exciting for me, at least. But yeah, as far as the Forex market front goes, we talked about the euro dollar today as the next candidate for a potential campaign. I believe it's going to continue moving north and eventually break through 111.55 and move forward to 114.70. We'll see how that goes. In the meantime, we're just watching it closely. But then we have three active positions. Aussie Swiss pulled the trigger today. Not on this account. On the second account we have. Aiming at 80. 58.50. It's not too far from where we're trading right now. So that's a quick one. Stop loss level 56.30. We got the dollar Canadian with a short position, and this one's coming up slightly, but again, you would expect that. We think price is on its way to 133. We got a stop loss level to 136.20. And the third position we have right now with two trades in 20K is the New Zealand Swiss franc that is taking its time in the last 2-3 days. As you can see, very stagnant, but we believe the next move is coming and it's going to continue closing the distance to the next big resistance level, 54.32. So there you go. That's about that as far as the foreign exchange market goes, and I really want to move to the more interesting front, which is the cryptocurrency front, where we have four active positions right now. Litecoin, which is about to hit target. We're so close. But you know what? We've been even closer just 3 days ago. Take a look at that. What an upset. Price action missed that target by a fraction, right? But yeah, we kept the position alive. In fact, we added one more trade to the mix. Right now we got 4 trades, right? 4 trades. Here's the first, second, third, fourth. So position's quite heavy, but again, it's so short term as far as the target goes, right? It's right around the corner, 66.65. At 66.65, 3 trades are out. So 3/4, 75% of the position is going to be out at 66.65. And then we have one more trade that we're going to try to drag all the way to the previous highs. I believe there's a potential price action to break through 66.65, even just for a day or two, just to snag those previous highs, right? So that's the Litecoin. Then we have the Dogecoin that's coming up now, starting to raise its head. We've been doubling down here and then tripling down where it was on the back foot. Now it's coming back up. Again, very short-term situation. We're looking at 1077 as the last line of resistance and the main target. Once we hit that area, we're out. Completely out. And then coming back to reanalyze and recalibrate and, come up with a new vision, a new conviction. But for now, it's all about the short-term cycle. So you would expect, short-term targets as well. Same with the Ethereum, right? Because we hit the Ethereum as it was on the downside here, penetrating into the lower section and then doubling down just a couple of days ago when it was really low. So we got 2 trades here, and now it's coming up and it's facing the adversity of 25.60. I believe it's going to be successful on the breakout and then straight to 26.72. At 26.72, we're going to be terminating our bullish campaign, and like I said, that's just the short-term perspective. Long-term perspective, I have to say it doesn't look too good because price action was able to break below 25.13 and close the weekly bar below that level. So that's not a good sign. That's not a bullish sign, right? So we're scrapping our bullish conviction medium to long-term perspective. But we're still bullish short-term perspective, right? But for a short period of time, as you would expect. Last but not least, the beat. Oh, boom! We just hit target. Yeah. Okay. I didn't see that. That's really happening right now as we speak. Price action just hits the target of 59,715. Still have one more trade that we can close, right? Because again, long-term perspective, we're not bullish anymore, and even the Bitcoin gave us that sign. Take a look at the close on the weekly bar. Very low. I mean, much lower than 65.81, which was supposed to hold, but it didn't. So again, not super optimistic about the long term, but short term, just hitting the target, because we had a trade that we doubling down trade right from the bottom here. So that one's out, and now we only have one trade left, and we're not sure what to do with it. Maybe we'll try to drag. Price probably have some more potential, a little bit more on the upside, maybe to that 65.81 that we talked about. But we're gonna have to be careful here because we don't want to take a loss. Right now, it's right on the break even as far as the first trade goes, the last one that's still in. Interesting stuff. We can probably tighten up the stop loss level on that last one as tight as we can. Let's make it 58,200. There you go. Next in line, I think it's the Ripple. Ripple's making making sound of wanting to come back up to where it came from. So that's really is the next candidate. But I'm not sure because we're not bullish anymore, medium to long term. So we'll see how we're going to approach the situation here. But still, just stay tuned. We'll definitely come back to update. That's about that for the day, guys. Enjoy the rest of it. We're going to be back tomorrow, same time, same place. Take care.